In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Excel spreadsheets into Power Apps. Open your browser and go to Power Apps. If you are not already signed in, sign in with your trial account. Once the Power Apps home screen loads, look near the top of the page for the tile labeled Start with Data. Click Start with Data to begin creating an app directly from a data source. A Create an App screen will appear. This screen gives you several options for connecting data, but for this workflow, use the Excel Upload option. Click the tile labeled Upload an Excel file. A panel opens on the right side of the screen. In that panel, click Select from Device. Your file picker will open. Browse to the location where your Excel workbook is stored. Select the workbook you want to use for the app, then click Open. Power Apps will upload the file and inspect the workbook. After the upload finishes, it shows a preview of the table or tables it detected inside the Excel file. On the review screen, confirm that the detected table is listed. Make sure the checkbox next to that table is selected. This selection tells Power Apps which table to use when building the app. Once the correct table is selected, move to the bottom right of the review screen and click Create App. Power Apps now creates the app from your uploaded Excel data. When the build process finishes, Power App Studio opens with the generated app. In the top right corner of the toolbar, click the play button to preview it. The app opens in preview mode. In the list on the left side, click any row. When you select a row, the record form appears on the right side, showing the details for that selected record. Now test adding a new record. In the top bar of the preview, click the New button with the plus icon. A blank form opens for the new record. Click into one of the fields and enter a value for that field. Then click into another field and enter another value there as well. After filling a couple of fields, go to the top right of the form and click the Save icon with the check mark. This confirms that the app can write the new record back to Dataverse. After saving, close the preview. Click the Close icon in the top right corner of the preview window. You are returned to Power Apps Studio. Now, publish the app. In the top right of Power Apps Studio, click Publish. A confirmation dialog appears. In that dialog, click Publish this version. Wait until the confirmation banner appears at the top of the screen saying the app has been published. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. At this point, Power Apps Studio shows your generated 3-screen app. It includes a list view, a details view, and an edit form. The app is bound to a new Dataverse table created from the Excel upload. The published confirmation is visible at the top of the screen. The app is now available from the Power Apps home screen in the Apps list, and it can be shared with other users in the tenant.